Good, Bailey. What? Do you like the pancakes? Bailey, is Mommy preparing pancakes? Bailey, what's going on? Does this mean you don't like the pancakes? I made you gluten-free curry veggie pancakes. Bailey! That's not nice. I think Bailey likes the pancakes. Bailey is excited about the Orange County Pet Expo this week. She is going to be at the PEAC booth, Parrot Education and Adoption Center. We are going to be handing out educational brochures and also doing live cooking demos. I think we're off to a good start.